The sales by invoice number report is located under the accounts receivable module, and the menu option is print sales by invoice number. This allows you to print a detailed sales report or a summary sales report. You have the ability to specify a date range, and you can also print it for a range of customers as well. I'm going to go ahead and click print. And on the detailed sales report, it basically gives us a listing by invoice number, showing the terms, the subtotal, tax rate, and total, along with grand totals at the bottom for the criteria that we entered for this report. We can go ahead and close that. And let's take a look at the summary version of this report. Actually prints it by invoice number, and what it does is it segregates it into the different inventory classes that we have. As you can see here, rather than showing the customer detail, it's just showing the invoices themselves along with the dates, and then class 1, 2, 3, and freight. These classes are determined by your inventory setup for your inventory items. So if we go over to inventory classes, you'll see that we have these three different classes, and they say class 1, class 2, and class 3 in the description. And all the way over to the right, we have a column that says report. This indicates which column shows up first. In this instance, we have them in chronological order. So class 1 shows up first, class 2 shows up second, class 3 shows up third, and freight shows up fourth. And that's how it is on the actual report. And as for further information, the way that you associate the classes with the invoice is basically by the product. Whichever product is on the invoice, its respective class, the dollar amount for that product, for this class, gets segregated into that column. And that's how this report is constructed. If you have additional classes set up, they will continue to print over to the right on this report. You can see you have some more room for quite a few more classes in this instance. And when you're done, you can go ahead and close this report and this screen. And that concludes the print sales by invoice number feature.